Oh my goodness, that is one giant egg. What is on that egg? What's it made out of?
Pumpkin.
It's made out of pumpkin? Is it pumpkin Play-doh?
Yeah.
And how are you gonna open that thing up?
Like very fast. Okay, let's dig it open. It's a little bit pumpkin-y. Mom, on top of the hill! Let's open this big one. Dropped it. Go, go, go. Go back up again. It's going back up again. It's going to get these up. She got them. I'm on top again. Oh, he's stuck. Let's get him. Now. Oh, that's close. Dump it in. Try to dig it. He's climbing down. He's climbing down. Climb down. Now we're gonna go back up. Beep, 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 beep. Move, nigga, move! Oh, look it under here. Don't go. Flyers. Ripping it open. So we have to lift it. Grace, grace, grace! Grace it! Grace! Grace! Grace it open! Grace! Grace! Inside the truck, truck, pulling out. Get me out of here! Please! Over! True! We're almost off! Look! It's coming off! It opens.
What's in there, Jack? T-shirt? Open it up. What's on it? Is that Paw Patrol?
Yes, it was.
It's Halloween Paw Patrol. Cool.
It's a punk commercial. This is a kind of the driller.
What's that?
It's Rubble's digger. Open. Drill.
Do you think maybe Rubble might be around?
Rubble!
Well, now you have someone to drive.
Drill!
Jack, I think there's something else in there.
Oh. Inside?
In the pumpkin.
Later!
Can you show everybody? Cool.
Everybody is stuck! God! Stuck. Oh.
Can you say goodbye to everybody?
No.
Are you too busy playing with Play-doh?
No.
Can you at least say Happy Halloween?
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween, everybody. Hope you liked our video. Don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe.
Taking up the Play-doh. Let's open it.